Hi, my name is Scott Smiler, and I'm a real estate partner at the law firm of Gallant, Dreyer, and Berkey. The firm has been around for over 40 years, and I've personally been with the firm since 2004. I live on Long Island, and our firm is located in Manhattan. I represent clients throughout the 5 boroughs and in Nassau, Suffolk, Westchester, and Rockland counties. The firm is a full-service law firm offering such services as trust and estates, matrimony, intellectual property, banking, construction, and of course, general litigation. Our main practice involves real estate, where I act as a transactional attorney. Anything that touches upon real estate, we can handle. We represent over 300 co-op and condominium boards, landlords and tenants in negotiating both residential and commercial leases, license agreements, access agreements, 1031 tax-deferred exchanges, and the acquisition of triple net lease properties throughout the country. However, the main focus of my practice involves the sale and purchase of co-op apartments, condominium units, townhouses, and private homes. Being in practice for over 20 years, I'm in the unique position of having represented both sides of the deal. This allows me to anticipate what a buyer might be asking when I represent the seller, and vice versa, but it also allows me to gauge whether one side is being unreasonable in their requests. Having the benefit of arguing both sides of a contract provision, I believe, leads to a quicker resolution and a quicker signing of the contract. I can appreciate that there are a slew of other real estate attorneys out there vying for your business, but I would like to spend some time and explain what sets me apart from my competitors. Some attorneys market themselves as real estate attorneys, but in actuality, they may be a personal injury attorney moonlighting as a real estate attorney. You should be looking for an attorney whose primary focus is real estate. There should be no reason why you should be paying for the attorney's learning curve to get comfortable in a field in which they are not familiar. You also want to work with an attorney who is available. If your attorney is a litigator and constantly in court or conducting depositions, it can be very frustrating trying to get in contact with that individual. I don't bill myself as a jack of all trades. While I have a firm that can support my clients with other legal services, I stay in my lane, which is real estate. We also have a level of service at the firm that is unparalleled. When I work with my clients, we are with each other from start to finish, from the deal sheet to the closing. I don't pawn you off on a paralegal for you to get lost in the ether. I'll hold your hand throughout the process. Admittedly, some clients require a bit more hand-holding than others, which is totally fine. The relationship will be dictated by when we first start our engagement and get to know each other a little bit better. This added level of service reduces overstaffing, and there is no time wasted on bringing other attorneys into the process in the middle of the transaction. Who you see is who you get. In regard to pricing, I'm sensitive to my clients' financial needs. I normally bill my time on an hourly basis, but for these types of transactions, I often agree to a flat fee, barring any unforeseen or out of the ordinary circumstances. And if that ever occurs, I would of course discuss any increases above the cap with you in advance, so that there are no surprises. In regard to a specific price, it's very case specific, and we can discuss that in greater detail prior to my engagement, but I could tell you I'm competitively priced. Lastly, I want to mention my passion for what I do. I truly enjoy being a transactional attorney. I'm not a litigator, it's not my personality, and I rather work to bring parties together than fight tearing them apart. There is no better feeling than helping a couple buy their first home or helping a couple move so that they can start a new adventure. Doing this as long as I have, you often stay with that same couple throughout their milestones in life. Those newlyweds who bought their first home have now grown out of their space and are looking for a bigger home to start a family. I've gone from hearing how great the area is for nightlife to hearing about the great school district. I hope you now have a better picture of why I should be your real estate attorney, and my only request is that I be given the opportunity. For more in-depth information about me or my firm, please visit our website at gdblaw.com. I think you'll find a lot of helpful resources on the site. If you have any interest in my services, please give me a call at 212-935-3131, extension 314. I offer free consultations, and it might just be the start of a nice working relationship. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you.